Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Rand at Sailrite. At Sailrite, we're constantly improving the Sailrite branded sewing machines, and we've designed something that we're very proud of. It's called the Posi-Pin Safety Shear. This is a composite pin that is meant to break if you hit something hard, saving your valuable investment.
This composite pin is designed to break at the shear point when mishaps cause the machine to lock up, like hitting a snap or a zipper, or if you get needle deflection. Here we will demonstrate how it works by pushing a metal putty knife under the moving needle. Notice that the balance wheel disengaged from the drive shaft of the sewing machine. The Posi-Pin Safety Shear worked perfectly to help prevent damage to the machine and should minimize any maintenance that is usually required after a sudden crash like that. The broken Posi-Pin Safety Shear is removed and replaced with a new one. But the real test is, does it sew without having to retime anything? We'll replace the broken needle with a new needle. Then, after a serious crash like that, we recommend that you rotate the balance wheel by hand one full revolution to make sure that everything is moving freely. Now thread the needle and pull up your bobbin thread as normal. Now we'll test it out with some fabric underneath the presser foot. Let's see if it sews. Because the Posi-Pin sheared exactly as it was designed, hopefully we can sew without having to do any maintenance. Yep, it works beautifully. Let's go ahead and break one more Posi-Pin Safety Shear with this putty knife. Obviously the needle needs replaced, but all you need to do is remove the broken Posi-Pin Safety Shear and insert a new one in one of the holes of the balance wheel. Rotate the balance wheel down and towards you until it falls into the hole in the bushing, and push hard until it clicks, and you're ready to sew again. The Posi-Pin Safety Shear is also great for bobbin winding. Remove it from the balance wheel and it disengages the sewing machine while you wind bobbins. Then when your bobbin's full, simply reinsert it in the balance wheel and you're ready to sew yet again.
The Sailrite sewing machines are a valuable investment. We want them to last a lifetime, if not longer. We believe the Posi-Pin Safety Shear will help aid in that goal. Now, all new Sailrite branded sewing machines come with several Posi-Pin Safety Shears.
If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call or email us. We're glad to help. Thanks for watching.